Hi, this is CRISDC and again welcome back to my channel on how I create this look. Please keep on watching. And today video, pinalo ko naman si Nikki tutorial as one of my favorite makeup artists on YouTube. So on how I create this look, please keep on watching.
This classic matte romantic Valentine's date night makeup look. It is just such a classic and staple look that will fit every face out there.
It's one of my favorite makeup artists. Sa kanya ko natutunan yung mga kilay na to, yung pagkukontour ng face. Perfect, but at least I try. And for fun lang to. So I hope you like this. Tutorial is legend. So hindi ko ma-perfect yung mga ginagawa niya, but I try to follow her, pero medyo nagka-mistake ako kasi yung ginamit ko na eyeshadow is something different. So I'm going to use Gush for my primer today because you know, primer is life. Malapit na siyang maubos. So I'm just gonna use. You should not put primer like that too much. Nadami lang ako. Gusto ko to kasi parang feeling ko pag naglagay ako na to, parang naka-foundation na ako. Ang ganda ng kanyang finish. Primer na ako, so we're ready to put foundation as she always do. But she is using that product and I'm using this Novo and this Isadora for the Light Touch Sun 52. And this one is, for me, is the Joba. Actually, hindi ko to masyadong kilalang product, pero maganda siya. Bigay to sa akin eh. So, partner ko lang siya. Let's see how is the combination on my face. So, gustong-gusto ko yung mukha ko ngayon kasi parang mas improve siya. And you know why? Kasi gumagamit ako ng vitamin E. Ito ko, actually, sinabi ko na sa inyo before na meron akong ginagamit na vitamin E. Yes, local brand. This is from Myra E. Na nabibili natin sa Pilipinas. So, murang-mura lang siya. It's like, pag pinabili ko to, is like 300 plus, 30 capsules. So, magkano lang siya a day. So, very affordable siya. Kaya, go get your Myra E, mga nanay dyan, para skin glow tayo. So, for further ado, so, let's start now. So, I'm gonna use this one, Isadora. Let's shake it first because parang medyo ma-oily to. Pero ang ganda niya pag nilalagay ko siya hanggang gabi. Minsan ginagamit ko ito sa pamasok lang. Tapos ginagamit ko siya mula 4 o'clock in the afternoon hanggang uwian na. Umuwi ako usually like 1 a.m. in the morning kasi nagtatrabaho ako sa mall. So, ano siya, maganda yung kanyang sa mukha ko. Medyo dewy lang siya pag medyo late at night na, pero still okay. So, na-shake ko na siya at lalagay natin dito. Medyo ganyan yung light niya. Actually, medyo dark siya sa akin, pero okay lang kasi itong Nova na to is very light naman. So, shake ko rin siya. Lagi niya shake yung mga foundation kasi yung mga product na yan, nag-stick yan sa ilalim ng bottle. So, always shake that one. So, hindi ko siya dalagyan ng marami. Konti lang. So, para mag-combination lang sa mukha ko. Kasi, si Nikki tutorial, palagi siyang naggagawa ng, lagi siyang nag-create ng foundation na mini-mix niya. So, ganito na yung color niya. So, see to it that you mix properly and see to it na malinis yung kamay na paglalagyan nyo. Kasi, usually, gamitan ko siya ng glass, pero mas prepare ko to kasi mas nakikita ko na yung kanyang mix sa aking kamay. So, tingnan nyo, makikita nyo from here to here, parang hindi siya nagkakalayo. So, ganito rin siya sa mukha. So, pag naglagay ko sa mukha ko, actually, hindi ito full coverage. So, kilala natin si Nikki na pati yung kanyang lips, nilalagyan niya talaga ng foundation. It's fragrance free and this has SPF 15 and natural radiant makeup and it's light touch. I am in number 52. So, gusto niya. Concealer, I'm going to use the L'Oreal Infallible.
Perfecting concealer, and this is the color Porcelain. Concealer after.
Light lang siya, very light. Pero gustong-gusto ko yung naglalagay ng kasi parang feeling ko fresh yung mukha ko. Maganda yung naglalagay ng concealer, pero alam nyo ba, pag may edad na kayo, huwag kayong masyadong nagko-concealer kasi masyadong nakikita yung inyong, masyadong binabanat yung mga lower, yung mga ilalim ng mata na yan. Kasi magkikreate siya ng mga wrinkles. Actually, hindi ako pala lagay ng mga concealer, pero for the benefit of the doubt, dahil si Nikki Tutorial ay palagi nagka-concealer, mag-concealer din tayo. So, ayan na siya. Medyo maganda yung finish look niya pag talaga merong concealer. Pero, typically, pag everyday working ako, hindi ako maglalagay ng concealer. Kasi bukod sa pricey siya at the same time, nagkikrease siya pagka medyo matagal na. So, usually pag nag-work ako, I'm using only BB cream. Kasi para sa akin, parang fresh lang yung look, tsaka hindi nagki-crease kasi I'm working like 8 hours. So, masyadong mahaba yung para magganon ako ng concealer pa na ganyan. So, as you can see guys, I did not follow Nikki Tutorial makeup because as you know, she is using mostly high-end brands. So, I am using only makeup that I have. So for my setting powder, I'm using the Nichido, and I love this kasi naked heat. And what I like for Nikki is her eyebrow. So that's why how I create my eyebrow, it will be coming up. So I'm gonna use this one on my eyelids, katulad ng ginawa niya. So
Elf
let's see
eyeshadow palette called
kung
Mad for Matte
mapalo ko nga
2.
siya.
And taking
Oops! Oh my god, I pick up the wrong one, I think, but
into your crease
it's okay. I think parang pareho, pero ang iba pala, itong smoky heat na to. Eh, iba yung ginamit niya. Kasi ginamit ko. Sabi niya, blend lang. So, sa kanya ko natutunan yung, dito nagsisimula, tas pataas.
And this will give you a nice, soft,
Saka,
smoky
sana yan ang
effect
brush
to
na.
make you
Sana
look
ako
more
sa brush na to.
flirty.
Kasi
Once you got
siguro
that,
palitan ko to ng mamahalin. Kasi nabili ko lang to sa souk. Na, I think, mura lang. So, okay siya. Hirap naman sumunod.
flattery.
So,
For the lid and going
brown
into
yung
this
color niya
right
doon.
here, and
Tapos
just
ako
measuring
black.
it from left to right and up
Pero
and down.
gagawin natin ito ng paraan para maging brown to. So, just a moment. So, ayan daw, nagpapon on the waterline. So, let's see.
Going more on the soft side. Now, I love my contouring.
I'll get back to you. Hindi maganda yung foundation. Nag-oxidize siya agad. Hindi pa naman ako natatapos. So, rainbow na yung aking mukha na dark. Pero, going to use this lipstick Apocalypse Lip Velvet. So, since she's using red on Valentine's, so, gagamit din ako noon. And, I think, mas maganda yung red on Valentine's.
Classic, romantic Valentine's date night makeup tutorial. I hope you enjoyed. For a full list of every single product mentioned and used, go to my
For my highlighter, I'm going to use the Huda Beauty, which is the Cindy Lou highlight powder. So siya, Cindy Lou. Hirap buksan. Ba't ganon? And she's broken. Pero okay lang yan. Sige. For the benefit of this Nikki tutorial, I'm gonna use it. So let's see. Wow.
And I like this powder. A lot of people
Hey.
that don't like to highlight their
Hello.
nose. I love.
Hello world. So, moving ahead on our lipstick, ito na yung pinaka-final ni Nikki tutorial. So, as we can see, naglalagay na siya ng lipstick at hindi ko kinaya dahil, sorry, pero she's really professional and talagang napaka dami ko pang kakainin bigas. I have a lot of things to do para ma-reach ko yung kanyang level, pero hirap po sa ito. So, we're gonna head with our lipstick.
The color is perfect. Like,
Hindi naman napalo si Nikki tutorial. Parang iba talaga. Professional siya eh. Gaya-gaya lang ako. Hindi siya match sa akin damit. Yeah. So we'll be happy.
2 hours.
Oops. So it's Valentine's Day. So lalagyan natin ito. Gamitan natin ang Nichido. Tingnan natin kung matalo ng Nichido nito yung ang So I'm gonna open this new sample of Nergator. So as always, I'm not putting any lashes while Nikki tutorial is. See the difference? Givenchy, I like this. You're giving sample with just two. To us, why can't we be lover? Don't be afraid. Asan na you? Why you make my lips so? So again, thank you guys for watching and I hope you like this video for today. Nikki Tutorial is one of my favorite YouTuber and as you know, palagi ko siyang pinapalo and I think kasi pareho kami ng face, you know, yung shape ng face. So, pag nag-tutorial siya talaga nakatutok ako and I love the way she contour and the highlight. The highlighter is to the level. So again, thank you guys for watching and I hope you like this talaga ni Nikki Tutorial yung kanyang eyebrows, yung kanyang bold lips at kanyang eyeshadow at ang hindi nawawala sa kanya ay ang eyelashes. So ako, hindi ko nagagawa maglagay ng eyelashes. I hope soon talaga. Bibili nga ako ng marami at pagpa-practicean ko siya. So hindi ako ganun into sa eyelashes pero favorite ko yung mga naglalagay nun kasi parang sakit, parang wow. So, yon. And Nikki Tutorial, she have a big, bold, beautiful lips. So, I create this look. Medyo naging exage nga lang, pero I hope you like it. Contour ko talaga to. Hindi ko talaga siya medyo nag-exage siya. As you can see. So, yan. Medyo nag-smudge na siya kasi kanina pa ako daldal. At kinrate ko yung looks na to. This is just for fun. I know, hindi ko naman ginamit yung talagang ginamit niya na makeup. At the same time, yung mga color parang malayo din. And especially yung eyeshadow naging very far talaga.